I love manufacturing. That's why I started making buckles, CNC machining. I used to work on spacesuits for NASA.
Don't be afraid to get in this industry. This industry is amazing. It's largely growing. There's so much to do. There's so many different roles and positions you can be in.
It's very easy to get buried in the parts of running a business that are not the fun parts, that are not the reason you got into it. And it's really cool to solve these problems once and for all, so you can get back to the innovation.
If you look at the manufacturing industry in general, we have a shortage of workers. For every 3 people retiring today, you only have 2 people coming in the industry.
The future of our world is stuck, and it's stuck because we're still relying on human engineers that are incredibly short-handed.
And this is all happening at the same time when you have $1.5 trillion defense budget, you got $1.5 trillion backlog, and then you got over $1 trillion of AI infrastructure that's going to be built next year alone. How are we going to do all this stuff with our current workforce? We're not making brackets and clips and widgets here. We're making landing gear and complex aerospace and medical parts.
Automation sounds like it means just throwing robots into a warehouse or into a manufacturing facility, but it's often just about making sure that people who are interacting with those machines are able to do that intelligently, that operations is handled smoothly when they're coordinating between people and machines, and then when stuff breaks, people know how to find it, where to fix it, and what to do.
Whether it's with 5 partners or 50 partners, it's a great environment to just be collaborative and solve any challenge in front of you.
In this country, you need human workers, and you need humans to do these processes, and we're here to help them do that more efficiently.
Once you free up your best people from trying to keep the shop floor running, they get back to doing the things they're best at, which is improving your process, designing new components, designing new products, and shipping them. You end up dialing in the whole process.
Have conversations. Open yourselves up, be vulnerable, tell people what your struggles are, tell people what you're trying to do.
Don't get obsessed with whatever your background is. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, and don't be afraid to look stupid.
Not being afraid to ask for help. Not being afraid to ask someone for advice on something.
No matter the industry, someone's always willing to help you because they started in the same place that you're in right now.
Live with integrity, work with integrity, never let that go. Don't ever let climbing a corporate ladder take away who you are as a person.
We're all looking at it as like, how can I serve my customers better so they're successful, and at the end of the day, hopefully lifting up the society that we're living in.